Welcome back to my channel. I tried to make reaction style videos, did not work out, so now I'm gonna try to microwave some stuff. For season 1, we have got 9-volt battery. We got a working this thing. We got sparkling water. This one's for you, Andrew Tate. We got some heroin, I mean gallium. We got some spark plugs. But first, we're gonna start with some vapes.
Fuck out of here, vape.
Alright, let's get it. We got 2 cameras. One in front, one in the back filming the inside, alright? So, I'm gonna put them in and see what happens. Okay, kill the lights. Shit, they are blinking. Maybe I'm charging it. Let's give it a couple minutes. Let's see what happens. We've got 3.5 more to go. Oh, I can smell the vape right now. So something. Oh shit! I think the glass broke. The vapes are still holding up. I think I've made a small mistake. Maybe I should put the rotating thing back in. Let's try to grab them. They're actually okay. Oh shit, they are leaking. Check this out. Something was happening. Do not try this at home. This one is melting. Oh shit. Oh, the stone's fucking hot. Give me a second. Alright, I've got it. Let's put it back in. Okay. Let's go. Okay, it started rotating now. Alright. Oh shit, now something is happening. Oh shit, it's smoking. Oh. Not too much is happening actually. Oh shit. Now they are together. Oh, it smells burnt. I need to get back. Oh shit! Okay, okay. This is getting out of hand. Fuck, give me a second. Hold the camera, hold the camera. It's fucking on fire, check this out. Oh, don't breathe it. I think the battery is on fire right now. Okay, I have to get it out, but I didn't prepare anything, so I'm gonna grab something. Okay, I got the spatula. Oh shit, it's all. This is not healthy. So this is what happens. Stop smoking right now. Have a nice day.